This is a Pfaff Creative 4.5 embroidery machine and sewing machine. I'm going to take you through the different stitch settings that the sewing machine has. As you can see, it's a computerized machine and it's a very heavy duty machine for heavy duty work. If you can see clearly, you have the different number stitch settings and the different stitch patterns and style that the machine consists of. Let me take you through some of them. So as you can see, stitch number 1 is a simple straight stitch. You have number 2, which is a double straight stitch. You got number 3, which is a different style. Also number 4 is, and you have to change the foot in order to do this stitch, which shows you on the top left hand corner of the screen what foot you have to use and what number foot and letter foot the foot is, which you will find in this section of the machine, which has all the different foots that you have to use to do your sewing. Now back to the computerized screen on the machine. You've got different pattern stitches, which will show you what the stitches look like in this column here. Here's stitch number 12, which is a very nice stitch, which the machine does. You have stitch number 15, number 13 is nice, number 17 looks like a nice zigzag pattern, number 18, a more simplified thin pattern for like designs on shirts and t-shirts and things like that. You can also change the size of your stitches. You can make your stitches wider and longer by pressing the plus, which is the top, or the minus. So this is the width, the length, of the stitches, and this is the width. As you can see, it gets wide, but it only goes up to 2.0 because that's what it will allow you to do. Let me take you through some of the buttonhole settings. So as you can see, essential stitches, because this is in the utility stitch section, which will show you the buttonholes now. So these are the different style buttonholes. So you do the same as before. You select the buttonhole which you like, and then it will put it into the stitch section, and you can change the length and the width of it, and it will tell you what foot to use, which that's a very special foot that you have to use, which is the 5A foot. And the machine has a little plug-in mechanism which is underneath here that you plug that foot into, and it does it automatically for you. You can also use your embroidery unit to do buttonholes as well, but I'll show you all that in another video. Also, whilst I take you through this little sample video of what the machine can do, as you can see, there's different types of stitches that you can go to. Very nice machine. Got heart shapes at the end for those lovers. All different styles and patterns for people that like pattern detailed clothes. You have to be very patient with this machine. There's a lot in it. You can do quilting as well in your embroidery section. You can just stitch onto your quilts some nice patterns. You've got loads and loads of different selections in this machine that you can work from. So you've got to take your time when you purchase this machine. It's definitely worth the price. Also, as you can see up here, it's got a menu of all the different things that the machine does as well. So this is kind of like a guide to tell you how to find what you're looking for in this section of the machine, which is the digital touch screen, which you can also get a pen for it as well, but I've misplaced my pen at present, so in the future videos that I have to come, the pen should be involved as well, and I can show you how to use the pen. But for now, we're going to do this video without the pen. So here's the different stitch patterns and all the different stitch styles that the machine's got, so you can look very closely. As you can see, it has all of them up here. Here's the bobbin. This is where you put your bobbin in order to make your bobbin. That's for your thread. And this is how you thread up the machine, which is not that hard to thread up the machine. It's very easy and it doesn't take long at all. And this is the bobbin section, which in another video I'll show you how to put the bobbin in. But today's video focus is about the different settings that the machine has, which it has a lot of different settings, and in another video I'll show you some sewing that the machine can do as well. Thanks for watching.